Hey friends, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to download the best version or the uncrashed version of Defender 3. This is uncrashed version. You can use it very easily and you will get more money, or you can say unlimited money and unlimited gems. If you want a genuine app by Defender or Droid Hand, Defender 3 is developed by Droid Hand, provided limited. If you want a Defender 3 genuine app in which you can log in and get your previous all the levels, then you have to check it my description. There is a video in my description where you can find the genuine app, how to install genuine app of Defender 3. Okay, so there is, I will tell you how to install Defender 3 app with unlimited money with and unlimited gems. Okay, first you have to go in my description, then click on the link which is mentioned below by name, video mentioned link. Okay, there is a name of this link, video mentioned link. Okay, then click on it. Okay, now you are come on this side. Now you have to check a download button which is on this side. Okay, no, there is no download button. Okay, I find it here. So first you have to click on it easily, then you will show a notification to which account do you have to choose to download this. Okay, I am selecting a specific account because I have too much accounts or Google accounts to download it. But if you have one account, then easily you can download it. If you have one or more account, more than one account, then you have to is option of select an account. Then you have to easily select any account and click on OK button like me. Okay, now there is a package installer button or package installer pop-up. You have to click on this icon, download icon. Okay, now then your download has been started. Okay, so wait some time. Defender 3 by Stack YT app is installing in your downloading in your device. Then so wait for it now. Okay, this is started. Okay, now this game has been downloaded in my device and I installed it. So there is proof how to run it, and is this run it in any device. So let's just start it to show you the proof. Okay, this is zoomvideo.com. Please develop it. Okay, now click on play button. Okay, now click on play button. Oh yes, you can play it. You can play it. There is unlimited phone and unlimited things. Say mod app which I give you to use. Okay, so thank you very much to see this video.